everyone, my name is Vimala. I am part of visitor engagement team at Immigration Museum. Today I'm going to show you how to cook Kerala style vegetable stew. This dish comes from Kerala, one of the state in southern part of India. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. The meaning of Kerala is land of coconut trees. As you see, the main ingredients is coconut oil and coconut milk for this dish. Oil is ready. Step 2. Add all spices, which is 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, and leave it for a minute. Now add 1 chopped onion, ginger, 2 split green chilies, and 15 to 20 curry leaves. Stir this for 3 to 4 minutes or until the onion softens. Okay, onion soften. Now step 3. Add all the vegetables. Adding the crushed pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 can of coconut milk. Half a cup of water. Bring the stove to simmer and cover the pot with the lid. Reduce the heat to low. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until potato are tender. Okay, it's look like vegetables cooked. Let's check. Okay, the vegetables cooked. Now step 4. Pour in the remaining coconut milk. Wait for the mixture to boil. And switch off the stove. Okay, here is the delicious Kerala style vegetable stew is ready. Hope you have fun making this dish, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.